Hello friends, I Pankaj Dumka welcomes you all to this course on Vedic mathematics. And before I start discussing about the multiplication, divisions, and that all, that is basic mathematics operation. Let me give you a brief on Vedic mathematics. The word Vedic mathematics was given by Sri Bharatikrishna Tirthaji, and he developed this uh, way of doing arithmetic operation in close to 1911 and 18. This mathematics is basically comprises of 16 sutras, or we can also say word formulas, and 13 sub sutra or corollaries. Okay, so in this particular lecture, I will be doing what I will be starting with very basic, that is how to multiply two single digit numbers. So multiplication of single digit numbers. Okay, the method or the sutra based on which we are doing this is called as Nikhilam. So Nikhilam is the sutra or the formula based on which we will be doing this particular operation. So what we do is we try to find out the base closest to that particular number. For example, let us say we want to multiply 8 and 7 and want to know what is the answer. There are methods which you can do is, but the thing is, what we do here is we identify the base first. So 8 is close to 10, 7 is also close to 10. So 10 becomes our base. So the nearest power of 10 is 10 to the power 1, that is 10. Okay, so what next we will do is we will try to find out by how much amount these numbers differ by that base. So in this particular case, the difference is 2, that is 10 minus 2 is 8, so minus 2. Likewise 10 minus 3 is 7, so minus 3. So this is the first step. Okay, so again I am repeating, first step is to recognize the base and then to write down the offset of this particular number from the base. For example, 8 is offset by minus 2 from 10 and 7 is offset by minus 3 from 10. Next, what you do is you place a line here, then you multiply these two. So minus 3 into minus 2 will be 6, because minus times minus is positive. Again, in a separate video, I will be telling you how this happens, how negative times negative number becomes a positive number. But for the time being, you understand that this is what happens when you multiply two negative numbers, the answer is a positive. Now, you move crosswise, either in this direction or in this direction, and you add. So, once you do this, so 8 plus minus 3 will be 8 plus minus 3 is 5. Likewise, 7 plus minus 2 is again 5. So whether you can add in this way or in this way, it doesn't matter. You will be getting the same answer, that is 5. And as your base was 10, that is power is 1. So in the unit place, you will be having only one number. That's why the answer is 56. Okay, so once again I am telling you, first you have to find out the base, that is power of 10. Then you have to understand, or you have to evaluate that how much that particular number is offset. Write it down. Okay, and then you follow the procedure, that is you multiply this portion, write it down here, and then you cross add and write down here. So this is the answer. But this is not always that simple. There may be possibility that we will be getting tens digit number here. So let me take one more example. Let us say that you want to multiply 7 and 6. Okay, So how much this 7 is offset? 7 is offset by minus 3 from 10, and from 10 6 is offset by minus 4. Okay, you have to multiply this. So what you do, you draw this line, you multiply 4 and 3. So minus 4 times minus 3 is plus 12. So 12 is here. Now you cross add either in this way or in this way. You should be getting the same answer, that is 7 plus minus 4 is what? 3. Okay, and likewise 6 plus minus 3 is 3. So which way is convenient to you? But the thing here is that you have 12 here, which is now a tens placeholder. So you only require one. So you will do what? You will bring this tens placeholder here and add. So you will simply add. So the final answer will be 3 plus 1 4, and from here it is 2. So 42. Okay. Now one more practice exercise. Let us say you want to multiply 3 to 8. Okay, so how much this is differing? This is differing by 7. So base was 10, base is 10, and this is differing by minus 7, and this is differing by 2, that is minus 2. So you will follow the same procedure, that is 7 times 2 is 14, and when you cross add, because this is much simpler, likewise this doesn't matter because it will be coming out as 1. But our base is what? 10, that is power 1, so only unit can stay here, so this will come here, and the final answer will be 1 plus 1, that is 2, and this is 4. So the answer is 24. Now let us take one more problem. Let us say we want to multiply 4 with 6. Okay, now here this number, again base is 10, close to 10, so this is differing by minus 6, this is differing by minus 4. Now you add them. So you multiply these numbers. So 6 fours are 24, and when you cross add these numbers, so 4 plus minus 4 is 0, 6 plus minus 6 is 0, but as this is 10 to the power 1, that is 10, so only unit can stay here, not 10, so this will be coming here, and then you have to add 2 to 0. So 2 plus 0 is 2, and 4 is there, so answer is 24. So again let us take one more problem. Let us say we are having uh, okay 7. Let us say we are multiplying 7 by 2. Okay, then 7 differs by how much? Minus 3, and 2 differs by minus 8. Okay, now you multiply these two. This is 24. You cross add any one. So 7 plus minus 8 is minus 1. 2 plus minus 3 is minus 1. So the same thing. But as the base is 10, so only unit can stay here. This tens has to move here and be added to this particular number. So minus 1 plus 2 is 1, and 4 remain as such. So in this way you can proceed. So friends, remember, first what you have to do, you have to identify the base. Once base is identified, then you have to write down the difference of this particular or of these numbers from the base. Then you have to multiply them, and you have to cross add. Once that is done, you try to observe this portion, that whether it is having the correct number or not. That is, as this is single digit, so only ones can stay here, not tens. So you have to bring that one onto left side and add. So in this way you can perform this simple operation with the help of Nikhilam Sutra in a very decent way of multiplying two digits number. Remember, in this particular lesson I have taught you how to multiply single digit number which are very close to base but less than base. Remember, these all numbers are less than base, and in the next lecture I will be telling you that how to multiply two numbers which are more than base. Okay, single digit double digit number, okay, they will be more than base. So in this lecture, till this point only, Thank you very much. If you liked my video, then please do like, share, and subscribe.